Character Archetypes: Wise Old Man by Penelope Morrow. Description: the wise old man or sage archetype is normally seen as a smart figure who will give advice to help others. They may be seen as a parental figure, in other ways an intelligent, very close friend or other family member. When not offering help to others, the wise old man will do research on many different topics, as they are obsessed with gaining new knowledge. When making a decision, it is always evidence-based. They are truth seekers. Strengths: as described, the wise old man is a very helpful person. This is their biggest strength. They always offer helpful advice he or she gained from heavy research to others. They are selfless in the sense that they always feel the need to help. They are also an encouraging figure to those around them, while still staying level-headed and calm. Another strength is their pursuit of knowledge. This makes them a very smart person who seeks truth overall. Weaknesses: as good as they may seem, like all people, the wise old man has weaknesses. For them, they may become impatient quickly if others cannot give them the information they need. They may also be self-critical and not let themselves feel emotions. This is because they may feel emotions held by themselves are bad, resulting in a restricting and self-suppressing mindset. This may lead them to feeling helpless in the events of life. If things go wrong, they won't know what to do, as they feel like an observer and not a controller in their own body. Examples in fiction. An example of this archetype in well-known fiction would be Yoda from Star Wars. Yoda is a character who is regarded as being smart based on his knowledge from experiencing life and researching it. Yoda becomes a father-like figure to many of the characters as he offers fatherly advice to help many of the other characters in the films. Yoda fits the wise old man archetype as he offers advice, becomes a parental figure, and is wise. Thank you for watching, and these are my sources.